Every good story starts with an idea. So the first place we start is with the writers. The writers come up with an idea for the story. All the while, one artist may be sketching out some of the main points of the story called key drawings. Dozens, sometimes hundreds more sketches are made and brought together to look a lot like a gigantic comic strip that outlines the story. This is called a storyboard. Then the animators take over. These artists will draw hundreds, even thousands of drawings that will be translated to each frame of film for animation. When you bring them all together, each frame, 24 frames per second, will make it look like the drawing is moving. The pencil drawings are later given to the inkers, who trace the drawing onto a transparent frame called a cell. The cell is then given to the painters, who then color the figures in by flipping the cell onto the backside, in order to keep the ink from being painted over. In the meantime, other artists create the background scenes that the cells will be placed over. These characters wouldn't have a floor to walk on or a world to live in without the background artists. Now the hundreds of cells and backgrounds are all put together in order to be photographed. For the Fleischers, they went one step farther by creating actual live models out of clay for three-dimensional backgrounds. This was called the stereoptical process, or the setback camera. Here the model was put onto a turntable, while the animation cell was then shot vertically against the live 3D background. With each click of the camera, the animator would then change the frame, but also turn the model on the wheel each time. So when all the frames came together on film, the animated character looks like it's moving along with the live model background. After the animation is all put together, it has to be edited for sound, music, and of course, the voice actors. And there you have it, one classic, vintage, animated Popeye cartoon.